What's up, geckos? Welcome to week 3 of distance learning. This week we are going to be working on our basketball skills, a little dribbling, a little shooting. Remember when we talk about dribbling, we talk about making our hand look like a yo-yo as we were flicking the ball down and bringing it back up. Or we also talk about petting a cat or your dog, being soft with your hands. And with shooting, we have the BEEF acronym: balance, eyes, elbows in, and follow through, which you'll see in the lessons. So we'll go over today's activity. As you click on the website, you click on Monday, the activity sheet will pop up. Okay, we have alphabet fitness again on Monday. This time we have a couple different words to spell. And then we actually have an added box this week as well. So we have a benchmark checklist. When you click on it, you'll see Mr. D will pop up, and he has a little video for you talking through each grade level's benchmarks for dribbling. And then we also have in the activity, we have a little slideshow here that's going to show you some different skills and tricks, some reminders of how to dribble, and then some different ways to dribble, some different challenges. As you can see, there's some different ones for kindergarten, first and second grade, and also third, fourth, and fifth grade. Have fun today with doing your basketball skills. Again, if you have any questions, please let us know. One other important point: if your links aren't working on your iPad or whatever you're using, try refreshing them a couple different times, and a lot of times that'll help get the links to work. Again, enjoy your day. See you later.